Do you need a calorie surplus to build muscle? There's a lot of debate out there about this right now. What I will say is no, you don't need a calorie surplus to build muscle. But I think some people have taken this too far, where they basically said there's no point in a calorie surplus, just eat at maintenance and what they call it main gain. You do maintenance and you build muscle that way. So you can build muscle and lose fat at the same time. And there's research to show that you can do that. And there's research to show that if you do a big surplus, a modest surplus, or maintenance, you pretty much just gain more fat from doing the big surplus. And there's not a real big difference in the amount of muscle you gain from maintenance versus the modest surplus. So why not just do maintenance? While that may be true, there's something really important to think about here that I think a lot of people are missing. When I began lifting weights, I was about 140 pounds at a similar body fat that I am now. Now I'm 207 pounds at a similar body fat as when I started. I could not have gained my way here. I had to have a surplus at some point because I did not have the requisite tissue to recomposition to the point to get to this level of muscle mass. So think of it like this. If you're an artist that wants to create a sculpture, you have to have enough total clay to make the sculpture. You have to have enough total tissue mass to create the sculpture that you want. If you don't have enough clay, you can only create a more defined, smaller sculpture. So if you're happy with the overall size you are, and you say, you know what, I'm a little bit heavier, I'm 200 pounds, but I don't really need to gain any weight. But if I was 200 pounds with a different body composition, I'd be happy, then that's fine. Then you probably can stay at maintenance or maybe just a slight surplus and get those gains and maintain your way to that. But if you're on the smaller side and you know that even if you were in like low body fat with more muscle, that you would still want to be larger and have more muscle mass overall, you have to create that tissue and you can't create it out of nothing. What I will say is based on the latest research, the traditional bulks where you're like eating a 500 calorie a day surplus and trying to build, 1 pound per week, bad idea. You're just going to get really fat. I mean, you might feel really strong, but you're going to get pretty fat. I would recommend for most people a slight surplus, anywhere from around 5 to 10% above your maintenance calories. So for me, I maintain my body weight around 3,400 calories. I'd want to be 150, 170 to 300 something calories for a surplus. What I will say is these studies so far are pretty short term. They're like 8 to 16 weeks. Really hard to pick out differences in that period of time. It could be that there might be differences over longer periods of time. And I think that if you're somebody who's been training for a really long period of time and you're just not building that much muscle from training anymore, maintenance versus a small surplus, if you really want to gain a little bit more muscle, then probably a very slight surplus, in my opinion, might be a little bit better than maintenance. Because again, you're signaling that you have a little bit more energy, you can expend a little bit more towards building that tissue. But I think the idea that we need these really large surpluses to gain muscle as fast as possible, increasing your surplus past a certain point does not appear to increase the rate at which you gain lean mass. So if you're going to do a surplus, it should probably be relatively small and you should go relatively slow. And if you have enough overall mass and you just want to try recomposition, then maybe you can maintenance your way to that. This is why my app Carbon is so great, because you can, whatever goal you want, if you want to put on some tissue, if you want to put on some mass, Carbon can help you do that. If you want to lose fat, Carbon can help you do that. If you want to maintain, Carbon can help you do that. And recomposition, Carbon can help you do that. If you want to reverse diet, be in a slight surplus, enhance your energy expenditure, improve your metabolism, and also maybe put on a little bit of lean mass, Carbon can also do that. So if you're interested, click the link in the description and check out Carbon Diet Coach, my nutrition coaching app. If you're interested, comment Carbon and I'll DM you information on how you can sign up for my app. And it costs a fraction of what you'd pay for a coach every single month.